Piso lang naman. Piso isa ganito. Pag tinamad tayo, pag everyday, di ba? Pag uniform. May
And our official referee for tonight is referee Ram. And referee Apatan. First game, first match, it's Manila against Calabar Zone. Now, inter-province category by basketballista. First five on Manila. It's Keljem. Nandito ka. Oh, Dubai ka. Ha? Hindi na ka? It's mine. De Leon.
Wala si Maen.
Abi! Putin yung bola!
First five on Calabar Zone.
Practice yan!
First five on Calabar Zone. It's Roque. Tebas. Rentor. De La Cruz and Sulaima. It's Manila versus Calabar Zone, our first game for our inter-province category. Bebas, bebas, bebas. Takin tayo, bebas, bebas. Takin tayo sa para maganda. First position of Manila. It's De Leon, guarded by Rector. Now, Mine. Looking for De Leon, guarded by Rector. It's 40 to shoot. Looking for Sabillano. It's Keldem. First basket, first shot of Manila. Now, Rentor to Sulaima. Nice move, side step. Sulaima goes to go short. Rebound on De Leon. It's 1-on-3. Turnover against Manila. 2-0. Now De La Cruz. Looking for Sulema. Foul. It's foul on number 10. On number 10. Mariguran. First on Manila. First. Pariguran. Now Rentor, grab, Rentor, pull out jump, Rentor, short, rebound De La Cruz, 5 to shoot, Roque, fake. 24 shot clock violation, 24. It's 8 minutes and 42 seconds. 2 against 0, Manila. Now Mine. Looking for Pagirgan. Mine again. It's 40 to shoot. De Leon. Open jump by De Leon. Long three. In and out. Rebound. On Mine. Mine again. Yes, on Mine. It's 4-0. 4-point lead na ako Manila. Rentor. Looking for Vargas. Now, De Leon, now baseball pass to Maeng, looking for Keljam, let it fly to Sabirano, yes on Sabirano. It's 6-0. It's a 6-0 run coming from Manila, Rentor. Looking for Sulaima. Drive, kick out pass. De La Cruz. Now again on Keljam, 1-1 on Sabirano, 1-1, Sabirano, he make! Subirano! 8 now 0. It's 8-point lead on Manila. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Nice steal again on Maeng. Maeng all the way and Maeng. Time out! On Calabarzon, it's 10 against 0. And this timeout is brought to you by Dewey, Basketballista, Color Sports,
Ba't di ba
and the Lakers.
5 minutes? 5 minutes. Di ba finish 5 minutes bago mag-sign out? Anytime? Ang gulo, hindi ko may... Minsan nagpapanta ng 5 minutes.
It's 10 against 0, Manila.
Score, guys, score!
And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista, Sulaima. Drive, move, Sulaima, let it fly, too strong, top. It's De Leon. Guarded by Rentor, De Leon, De Leon. Turnover on Manila. 7 minutes. It's troubling violation on Bebas. Back-to-back turnover on Manila and Calabarzon. 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Now De Leon. Looking wise. Nice defense on Calabarzon. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Rentor. Now setting a play for Rentor. Rentor. Looking for Sulaima. 17 to shoot. 17 to shoot. Now Rentor. Looking for Sulaima. Nice move. Brad. Sulaima move. Yo-yo move. Again in and out. Rebound on Manila. Intercept again. Out. Turnover. On Calabarzon. It's 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Still 10 against 0. Now Subirano. Maeng. Side step. Looking for let it fly. Keljam. Let it fly. Keljam. Now 12 against 0. Rentor. Looking for Roque. Roque. Running back to Maeng. Roque move. Roque. It's last stats on Calabarzon. 5 minutes and 51 seconds. It's a 12-0 run coming from Manila. De Leon. Guarded by Bebas. De Leon. Too strong. Rebound on De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Rentor. Again on Rentor. It's turnover on Calabarzon. It's 5 minutes and 39 seconds. 12 against 0. All by Manila. Subirano. Now Sulaima. 2-1. 2-2. Sulaima drive. First basket. Bang! Timeout! On Manila. It's 12-2. 10-point lead now on Manila. It's 5 minutes. 10-point lead on Manila. It's 12 against 2.
Go, James.
Nice one.
Parigiran. Oh, no.
Now let it fly. 14 is set clock. Let it fly. Keljam. Now 14-2. Still again by Manila. Subirano. Looking for Keljam. Stop. Now period. 10 to shoot. De Leon. Stop. Up. It's foul. Foul on number 11 on Rentor. First on Rentor. First personal team foul on Calabarzon. It's 4 minutes and 36 seconds, 14 against 2. Now 15 against 2. 13-point lead now on Manila. Now Rentor. Looking for Bebas. Bebas hesitate. Bebas wait. Looking for Rentor. It's time to shoot. Short. Rebound on Maeng. It's Maeng time. It's Maeng. 17-2. It's 15-point lead now against Manila. Steal again on Maeng. It's foul. Foul again on number 11 on Calabarzon on Rentor. Second on Rentor. Second team foul Calabarzon. Now Subirano. Looking for Maeng. De Leon. Open jump by De Leon. Lumalabo by De Leon. It's 19-2. 17-point lead now on Manila. It's lefting violation on Calabarzon. Turnover again on Calabarzon. Now Maeng to Subirano. Subirano too strong. Rebound on let it fly. Keljan drive. Nice defense on Rentor. Back to De Leon. De Leon is 3-second violation on Keljan. 3 minutes and 23 seconds.
Sorry.
It's only 17-point lead on Manila. 19 against 2. Now Bebas. Let it fly by Bebas. Oh! What about by Bebas? It's warning on Bebas for delay the game. 4-19. It's 15. Point lead on Manila. Now Subirano. Aguirogan may reach shot, too strong, rebound on Roque. It's 4-2 drive, up to the top. Rebound again on Maeng. It's Maeng, 4-on-1, De Leon, foul. Foul on Roque. First personal foul on Roque, third against Calabarzon. Two-free-throw shot again by De Leon.
Rebound.
2 minutes and 42 seconds. Now 20 against 4. 16-point lead on Manila. Now Rentor. Steal again on Subirano. It's let it fly, Keljem, let it fly, Keljem. 22-4. Now 18-point lead on Manila. Rentor. Nice pass to Bebas. Fake. Bebas, 1-on-1 to Maeng. Bebas. Yes, on Bebas. 6:22. 2 minutes. Now Subirano. Looking for Maeng. Maeng, let me try. At too strong. Top by Keljem. Maeng drive. Nice pass outside. Block by Roque. Oh, De La Cruz. Maeng. Oh, Maeng. Stepping on the line again on Calabarzon. It's 24 against 6. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Nice steal on Bebas. It's 3-on-1. 3-on-2. Bebas, move. Wow! Nice defense on Subirano. Now Maeng. It's 3-on-4. 4-on-2 on De Leon. Top. Block. Block again. Foul. Foul on De La Cruz. First on De La Cruz. Warning for penalty on Calabarzon. It's 1 minute and 18 seconds. 24 against 6. Against 6. It's 19-point lead on Manila. Now Rentor to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, let me fly. De La Cruz, top. Rebound on De Leon. It's 1 minute. Kelvin, back to Subirano. Pass downside to Magarangan. 1-on-1 drive. Nice defense. Block. It's foul. Foul on number 4. Sulaiman now. Calverson in penalty. 52 seconds. Last 52 seconds. Now 26-26. It's 20-point lead on Manila. Now Rentor. Guarded by Kelvin. Sulaiman. Short, top. It's Manila again. 35 seconds. 3-on-2, 2-on-4. Guarded. Subirano. Subirano. Bang! Soberano. 28-6. 25 seconds. Bebas. Favorite shot. Too strong by Bebas. Rebound on Mai. It's Mai. 19 seconds. Mai. Rebound. On. It's 3-on-1. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz! 5 seconds! And for first quarter, our score is 28-8. All by Manila. Second quarter ready, second quarter. It's Calverson ball. Calverson. White ball. White. Bounding on Yo-Yo Man. Lusada. Yo-Yo Man now. It's Yo-Yo Man. Looking for Par, wrong two, rebound, nice down, Mendoza, 14 to shoot. Yo-Yo Man, looking for Raboya. It's Raboya. Top by Mendoza. Nice steal on Manila. Is Quanchon in the ball game. Looking for Pakulba. Turnover on Manila. Now the Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man. To Lusada. Guarded by Pakulba. Lusada escapes. Side step. It's troubling violation of Lusada. Back-to-back turnover on both teams. Manila. Against Calverson and Conchon. It's their third turnover on the second quarter of Manila. Score 28-8. Still 20-point lead on Manila. Raboya. Raboya, woo, pow! Number 5 on Marcelo. First on Marcelo, first on Manila. Free throw shot coming from Raboya. Nine to 28. Slowly but surely now, Calverson. 8 minutes and 53 seconds. And 10 to 20, it's 18-point lead now on Manila. Now Conchon, guarded by the Yo-Yo Man. Looking for Alba. Back to Conchon. 14 to shoot. Pakulba. Kick out pass to Marcelo. Too strong. Rebound on Lusada. It's foul.
10, excessive swing of elbow.
Personal foul on Alba. And technical foul on number 10 on Lusada for swing of elbow.
Both.
Morning na sa Ulsada. Alba Paul.
It's technical free throw from Alba. It's Calabarzon ball, Calabarzon. It's 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Now par. In and out by Losada, it's Marcelo. Now Panchon. Center play, Gary Pembrios, it's Alba. 1-1, Alba drive, looking downside to Paculba. Alba is struggling violation, nice defense on Raboya. 8 minutes. It's a 2-0 run coming from Calabarzon. 20 against 10. Now par. To Yo-Yo Man, guarded by Yo-Yo Man, looking for Raboya, he's still on Raboya, now Mendoza, 1-1 by Pacolba, same ball, 11 to shoot, 11 seconds to shoot, 7 minutes and 46 seconds, now, nice pass, Lusada, in and out, top, rebound of Mendoza, blocked by Marcelo, now again, Raboya, Raboya, nice defense, again on Manila, he's still on Yo-Yo Man, Yo-Yo Man, nice pass to Raboya, too strong, Raboya again, Raboya, bang, Raboya, foul on number 9 on go, first on go, second team foul against Manila, it's 28 against 12, slowly but surely, Calabarzon. Bonus free throw coming from Raboya. Short. It's violation.
Mahangin, Raboya, mahangin.
7 minutes and 21 seconds.
Go, ilalim ka ko.
Marcelo. Pass downside by Go. On a play coming from Manila. It's 30 against 12. Baseball pass. From Yo-Yo Man in 6 minutes and 15, 13 to 12, it's 18-point lead. Manila is control. Guarded by Mendoza. Yo-Yo Man. Yo-Yo Man, 2-2, Yo-Yo Man. Bang! It's Yo-Yo Man. 14 to 30. Control. Looking for go, top. Same ball, same ball. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Now Marcelo, 14 to shoot. Conchon. Alba. Short, top. Rebound on Paculba. It's Paculba. 32 against 14. Back to 18-point lead now on Manila. Raboya, top, it's foul. Foul on number 10 on Lusada. First on Lusada. First team foul, Calabarzon.
Second on the side.
Second on Conchon, Alba, downside, go, Marcelo, nice pass. Too strong, rebound on Raboya. It's Raboya time, Raboya now, Raboya goes to Raboya is foul. Foul on number 7 on Conchon, third on Manila. First personal foul on Conchon. Mendoza. Now, Yo-Yo Man. Pass to Lusada. Block is foul. Foul on Alba. Warning for penalty on Manila. First against Alba. Second personal foul on Alba.
Warning penalty.
5 minutes and 22 seconds. Now, 15 against to 32. Back to 17-point lead Manila. Now, Conchon. Looking for Alba. Pakulba. Too strong. Rebound on Raboya. It's Raboya time. Raboya go. Pass to Pinasa. Back to Raboya. It's Raboya. Block. Raboya again. Curl. Fake. Raboya. Short. Rebound on Pinasa. Still on Pakulba. Now Lusada. It's Lusada to... Now Yo-Yo Man. Pass to Raboya. Lusada. Again top. It's Yo-Yo Man. Pinasa. Block. Again may go. It's foul. Foul on number 9. On Conchon. On score. Penalty up. It's penalty.
Go second.
Timeout rep. Timeout. It's timeout for Manila. Now Manila in penalty. Second personal foul on goal. And timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. 2B. And the Inkers. And we're live still on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's on Manila versus Calabarzon, our inter-province category. 2 free throw shot for Mendoza. Short. Now Conchon. Looking for Alba. Steal of Mendoza. It's 3 on 2. Yo-Yo Man. Pass to Mendoza. Yo-Yo Man again. It's a ball. Jump ball. Manila.
Yung pwesto. Middle isa. Middle isa.
Conchon.
May manager sila dyan.
Pakulba, open jump, short, rebound on go. It's last touch on go. 4 minutes. 32 against the 15. All 17-point lead by Manila. Now Yo-Yo Man, it's Yo-Yo Man time. Yo-Yo Man guarded by 2. It's Yo-Yo Man again. It's Yo-Yo Man to Lusada for 3. Too strong, top. It's Marcelo. Guarded by Yo-Yo Man. Turnover again on Manila. It's 3 minutes and 37 seconds. 32 against the 15. All by Manila. Now par.
Balikan daw yung bola.
It's Lusada. Too strong. Now Pakulba. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Alba to Marcelo. It's nice defense on Pakulba again. Whoa! It's Pakulba. 34 against the 15. Now 19-point lead on Manila.
Pressure.
Now Raboya now. Raboya 1-on-1 to Alba. Raboya move. Raboya too strong by Raboya. Now go. Guarded by go now. 1-on-1. Go pop. It's Lusada. Lusada to Yo-Yo Man. It's Yo-Yo Man. 3-2. Yo-Yo Man side step. Foul. Foul on number 7. Control. Timeout trap. On Calabarzon. It's timeout on Calabarzon. Second personal foul on Conchon. Manila now, it's in penalty.
Saram, balikan daw yung bola.
Dito na siya. Marcel.
2 free throw shot coming from penalty rep. It's penalty now on Manila.
Pinalitan na Alba. Pinalitan na.
Wala talaga makashot.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. Last free throw shot for Yoyoman. Rebound on Yoyoman against Yoyoman. It's same ball. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 14 is set clock 14. Inbounding Yoyoman. Raboya! Yeah! In and out again on Raboya. It's Quachon, guarded by Yoyoman. It's foul. Foul on Alcala. It's first on the Yoyoman. Third on Calabarzon. 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Quachon. Go. Alba. Looking for Quachon. Quachon now. It's Quachon. 14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Lusada. It's warning for penalty on Calabarzon. Second on Lusada. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Marcelo. Go. Alba. Yes on Alba. 36 to 50 now. Now to 31 point lead. 16 point lead now. Nice pass. Mendoza. 14 to shoot. Foul! Bang! Basket count and 1 on Mendoza. Foul on. It's 1 minute and 41 seconds. 36 to 17. 36 to 18. It's 14 point lead on Manila. Now Quachon. Paculba. Go! Too strong. Rebound on Alba. Yes on Alba. 38 to 18. Now Raboya guarded by Alba. It's 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Nice pass outside. Oh, Mendoza. 1 minute. Now Paculba, all the way on Paculba. 40 to 20, back to 20 point lead on Manila. It's backing violation, 49 seconds.
Na 20 na.
Conchon. Now Marcelo. 1 and 1. Marcelo again. Still on Paculba. It's 38 seconds. 38. Now Raboya. It's Raboya move. Raboya is foul on Conchon. It's penalty rep penalty. Third personal foul on the veteran Conchon. 32 seconds. 32. Short. 32 seconds. Short again. Rebound Marcelo. It's foul. Foul on number 14 on Mendoza. Warning on Calabarzon. First on Mendoza. 28 seconds. 28. 20 seconds, 14 to shoot. It's traveling violation. 18 seconds, 18.
Hindi makakurmo si Quad.
It's traveling violation on Pyro. One more step. 12 seconds, 12. 12 seconds. 3 on 1. Raboya. Yes on Raboya. And now for second quarter score, it's 40. Against to 22, all by Manila.
Saan ko, sino ko kausapin ko?
Si...
Marshall?
Oh, Marshall. So, si Benson. Magbawas-bawas.
Saan ba tayo? Kota?
Oo. Yan, bawas na konti.
Ano yung number 1 dyan?
Puro one Bernice. Bawas tayo, bawas. Yan na siya. Sino po tayo?
Nice. Ang sakit.
Bawas kayo. Tangin na.
Ilaminan din yung kayo. Lagyan natin sa
Kabila.
Ala, ang sakit ng likod ko.
Kunin mo na.
Manila. Calabarzon ball, Calabarzon.
Takin tayo sir, para maganda.
Ay, wag. Naka-video ka pa eh. Gusto ko naman sila Deza.
Third quarter.
Kung nasa kon ka, nabound ka na dito. Nasa Saudi ako.
Takin tayo, gagarin.
Ball game, third quarter. Del Rosario now in the ball game. Pass, pagsel to Ladesa. Ladesa, yo, is foul. Foul on number 22 on video. First, on Manila. First personal foul on Bicho. 2 free throw shot from Ladesa. It's 22 against 240. It's 18-point lead on Manila. 23 against 40. 17-point lead now Manila. It's mine. Now Supirano. Pass outside. It's still one Gilarin. Now 3-2. Looking for Del Rosario. Del Rosario. Guarded by De La Cruz. Now Del Rosario. Nice by Gilarin. Nice move. Pick. Back to Del Rosario. 5 to shoot. Castillo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Castillo! 40-26. Now 14-point lead, Manila. De La Cruz. Looking for Subirano. Back to De La Cruz. 14 to shoot. Subirano. Air ball. Now mine. 10 to shoot. Fake. Oh, it's mine. 42-26. It's back to 16-point lead now, Manila. Del Rosario. Looking for Castillo. Back to Del Rosario. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound. Luntok. Ladesa Bob. Ladesa again. Too strong. Ladesa. It's Ladesa again. Top. Rebound on Manila. It's Calabarzon ball. Calabarzon. 14 set shot clock. 14. 8 minutes and 22 seconds. Castillo. Now Castillo, favorite shot to on top the Bicho. Looking for Maeng. It's
Okay na ulit. Wala.
Ito yung flash yun, di ba?
Wala ka. Matagal na yung wala.
now on the Cruz 44 against the 26. It's 18-point lead now on Manila. Del Rosario. Ladesa, blocked by Bicho. Now De La Cruz. 1 and 1, 2, 3. De La Cruz goes to code. Bang! On De La Cruz. 46-26. Back to 20-point lead on Manila. Del Rosario is foul. Foul on number 14 on De La Cruz. First on De La Cruz. Second on Manila. 2 free throw shot for Del Rosario. It's Manila versus Calabarzon on inter-province category. By Basketballista, and we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Manila 46, Calabarzon 26. Now 27-46, back to 19-point lead Manila. Mine. Looking for De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Kali Pelontok, top, steal on Gallieren. Now, Calabarzon attack, Calabarzon is nice move! 29-46, it's 17-point lead now, Manila. Now, Subirano, looking for De La Cruz, mine, short, rebound again on Calabarzon, it's Del Rosario. Del Rosario time. Del Rosario coast to coast. Looking for Del Rosario. Bang! Del Rosario. 31 against the 46. Still again on Ladesa. Ah, it's foul. Foul on number 14 on De La Cruz. Third on Manila. Second personal foul on De La Cruz in 6 minutes and 33 seconds. 46-31. 15-point lead on Manila. Now Ladesa, Bob, Ladesa is foul. Foul on number 10 ng Pagirigan. It's warning for penalty on Manila. Second personal foul on Pagirigan. Del Rosario. Is still again on Manila. Is foul. Foul on number 27. First team foul on Calabarzon. First personal foul on Gallieren. 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Now De La Cruz. Bicho, Subirano. Short. Rebound on Gallieren. It's Gallieren. Gallarin looking for Lontok, pass to Gallarin, it's nice defense on Subirano. Gallarin again, fake! Gallarin! Timeout! On Manila, it's 33-46, 30-point lead on Manila. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, TUI, Basketballista, the Inkers, and Negros Losers. Five minutes and 47 seconds. It's a 7-2 run coming from Calabarzon. 46 gets to 33. Subirano, De La Cruz, Cardibay Ladesa. Wow! Nice defense on Ladesa. 5 minutes and 33 seconds. All by Calabarzon. Slowly but surely Calabarzon. Bagong Gallarin to Del Rosario. Now Del Rosario. Castillo, long two, bomb. Too strong, rebound on Maeng. It's Maeng, baseball pass to De La Cruz, nice pass down to Soberano. 48 against 233, it's 15-point lead on Manila. 5 minutes. Ladesa. 14 to shoot. 10. Ladesa mo is foul. Foul on number 14 on De La Cruz. It's penalty, not penalty. Third personal foul on number 14, De La Cruz. 2 free throw shots for Ladesa.
Pag nakaharang, foul yun.
Hindi mo siya kapag.
48 to 33. Basket substitution na rep. Basket substitution. Sub. 34 to 48.
Sige, tawagin niyo, sir. Takin.
Now Subirano. Umaeng. 14 to shoot. De La Cruz. Maeng. Oh, it's Maeng. 15 to 34. Back to 16-point lead Manila. Ladesa boom. Ladesa again. Ladesa 1-1 by Ladesa. 36 to 50. It's 14-point lead Manila. Subirano.
Galing naman no, Ladesa.
And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Marcelo. Long two. Rebound on Lontok. It's Lontok. Looking for De Rosario. Half time. Lock by Maeng. Steal. Now Maeng. 2 on 3. Maeng coast to coast. Short. Rebound on Subirano. Subirano time. It's Subirano. It's 52-36. Back to 16-point lead on Manila. Ladesa. 1-1 by Bicho. Ladesa guarded by 2. Ladesa. It's Ladesa time. Ladesa side step for his foul.
Bicho. Second.
Foul on number 2. 22. At step on Bicho. Penalty rep.
Second, personal.
Second personal foul on Bicho. Manila is over the limit penalty.
Close ko lang.
It's 1-0 to 1 by the Ladesa. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Short. Marcelo. It's still on Del Rosario. Del Rosario looking for Ladesa. 38 to 52. It's all by Calabarzon. Now 1-1. Marcelo guarded by Lontok. It's Marcelo, nice pass to Alba. Alba, one hot shot, short up, rebound and go. Go now, looking for De La Cruz. Fake. Bicho, 10 to shoot. Alba. It's 3-second violation on go. It's 3 minutes. All by Calabarzon. It's 52-38. Manila. Ladesa. Guarded De La Cruz. Del Rosario, short, Lontok, fake, Lontok again. In and out, top by Ginamin. Now Lontok, save by Lontok. Looking for Ladesa, 10 to shoot. Ladesa, long 3, air ball. Oh, going away. It's 40 against 52 now. 12 point lead on Manila. Now Marcelo. 2 minutes and 10. Go. Alba. Yo-yo move. Alba again. It's Alba.
Stop.
14-point lead back Manila. It's 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Third quarter. Castillo to Del Rosario. Now Del Rosario looking for Ladesa. Nice pass, nice defense on Bicho. It's 14 to shoot, 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Castillo. 10 to shoot. 5. Air ball. Lontok. Marcelo. 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's Marcelo. De La Cruz is still on Castillo. Castillo now. It's Castillo. 3 on 3. Looking for Ladesa. Let me die. Ladesa to Lontok. Lontok short. Rebound on Ladesa. It's Ladesa. It's now Manila ball. Manila. 1 minute and 40. Timeout, rep. Timeout. On Calabarzon. It's 1 minute and 14 seconds. 54 against 240. All by Manila.
Hindi na babalik yan. Hindi na babalik. Ha? 1 minute na lang, 1 minute.
Pagod na ata si Lonto.
Alba, go. Marcelo, foul. Now it's offensive foul on Marcelo. 59 seconds, 59. 50 seconds. It's foul. Foul on Alba. Penalty red. 2 free throw shot by Lontok.
Alba third.
Third personal foul against Alba. Penalty red. Penalty. 47 seconds. 47.
Marcelo din na third na rin siya.
Third personal foul on Marcelo. 41 to 54. It's 47 seconds.
Si Alba. Third personal.
Third personal foul on Alba. 42 against 54. 12-point lead Manila. Alba. 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. Bang, bang, bang! On Alba! 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15.
Aywa, long three.
Bang, bang, bang! On Del Rosario! 5 seconds. 4 seconds, 4 seconds. seconds, 2. 2 seconds, 2.
Ayaw, pwede yun?
And now for third quarter score, it's 45 against 57.
Hindi mo lang dito.
12-point lead on Manila. Fourth quarter ready na, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter.
45, 57.
It's Manila ball, Manila.
Ball. Forward. Kill. Go. Dilion. Rosario. Castillo. 31 Castillo.
Now, Colchon. Pinggol. In the bell game, now go. Open jump by go. Short. Rebound on Castillo. It's Rosario to Raboya. Raboya now intercepted again by Colchon. Oh, Pinggol. To Colchon. Looking for let it fly. Belgium. Let it fly. Too strong. Top. Pinggol again. Block by Raboya. Now, Del Rosario, 1-1 by Belgium. Del Rosario, air ball. Nice pass. Now, similar. Castillo, long tray. Short. De Leon. Added by Del Rosario. Go. Top. It's De Leon again. De Leon. Now go. Liga Pinggol. Downside. Belgium. 10 to shoot. 5. Short. Now Del Rosario, 3-on-1 on Del Rosario. 47 against 57, 10-point lead now on Manila. De Leon. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On De Leon. 16-57. Back to 13-point lead na Manila. Nice pass, downside, hook shot, in and out, rebound on the go. It's 8 minutes, Quachon. Go, it's foul. Foul on Del Rosario, first on Calabarzon. Second personal foul on Del Rosario. 2 free throw shot for the goal. 8 minutes. Top, rebound on now Raboya now still nice. Oh, turnover again on Calabarzon. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. De Leon. 1-1, Pesmila, top, baseball pass, control, 10 to shoot. Nice defense on Raboya. Castillo to Raboya. 1-1 move, it's foul on De Leon. Foul on De Leon, first team foul on Manila.
Tingnan niyo.
Sub. Second personal foul on De Leon. (48-60). It's 12-point lead now, Manila. Short rebound on Manila, it's mine. Time out! On Carabason, it's 62-48. All by Manila.
Magagaling din naman sila.
After the ball game, our next game will be our Inter-Emirates category. It's Sharjah versus Omar Quay. Short! De Leon! Guarded by 3. Is foul! Foul on number 4. On Sumala. Second team foul on Carabason.
Second person.
Second personal foul on Sumala.
Time out pa sila siya.
Oo.
62-48. Paculba. Mike De Leon. Black by Castillo. Raboya. Now Ladesa. Castillo. Paco Ladesa. It's Ladesa! 50 against 62. 12 point lead ng Manila. Paculba. 1-1. Sa ice. Still by Ladesa. It's foul. Foul again on number 4 on Sumila. Third team foul on Carabason. Substitution up. Substitution.
Sulema, third person.
Third personal foul on number 4 on Sumila. 5 minutes, 14 seconds. Shoot.
Sub.
Sub, rep, sub. Castillo. De Leon, out, De Leon. Four minutes and 57 seconds. Foul! One of them coming from Mine. It's foul on number 14. On Del Rosario. It's warning for penalty now on Calabarzon. Two free throws set by Mine. Third personal foul on Del Rosario. 63. Basket substitution terap. Basket substitution. Substitution up. Sub rep. Now Del Rosario. Under by Supirano. 14 to shoot. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. It's 13 to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Ladesa. Too strong. Top. 14 na set clock. 14. It's foul. Foul on number 14 on Pingol. It's second team foul on Manila. First personal foul on number 14 on Pingol. Shot by Ladesa. Now 51-64. It's 13-point lead on Manila. 12-point lead now, Manila, 4 minutes. Subirano, Paculba, Mine, 14 to shoot. It's 10. Black by Bebas. Oh. Foul on Paculba. It's 13 foul on Manila.
Paculba second.
Second on Paculba. Third on Manila. Third team foul Manila.
Release na.
Reserve.
Bebas. Pakulba too strong. Rebound, Bebas. Now, Severano. 14 to shoot. Severano, fade away shot, too strong. Rebound on Del Rosario. Guard by 2. Del Rosario, it's foul. Time out on Manila. It's warning for penalty now on Manila. 3 minutes and 16. Foul on Pakulba.
Pakulba, Maeng. Pakulba?
Both teams now, warning for penalty. Both teams, warning for penalty.
Hindi si Pakulba, si Maeng.
Kaya naman.
Iba-iba naman. Sige, sinasabi mo.
The ball game. Three minutes and 16 seconds.
Tigisa na silang time out. Both teams.
Ladesa time, lang time, short, rebound by Go. Looking for mine, 3 minutes. Nice defense on Ladesa, 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
Hey! Baba na! Baba!
It's 12-point lead on Manila. Rebound on Raboya. It's foul. Basket down and 1 on Raboya. 54-64. Now in Manila it's penalty. 1 free throw shot coming from Raboya. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 55-64. 9-point lead on Manila. Subirano, Pakulba. Nice defense on Raboya. Castillo. Nice again on Pakulba. Pakulba dropping foul. Sabi ko sa rep. Foul on Castillo. Now penalty rep. Both teams have penalty. Foul on number 31 on Castillo. Second down on Castillo. 2 minutes and 16. 9-point lead, Manila.
Nakarangan kanina. Hindi ko makita. Ayaw kayo magpadali!
65 against 55. It's double foul. Sublet on number 14. And number 9.
Basket tayo. Sana shootan tayo.
Go and Ladesa.
And Ladesa. Pass dito sa net. It's a double foul on Ladesa and go. 2 minutes and 14 seconds, 66 against the 55. 11-point lead back to Manila.
Go third.
Third personal foul will go. First on Ladesa. Rebound on Maeng. It's De La Cruz. Hand time. Short. Top. De La Cruz again. It's foul. Foul on Del Rosario. Penalty rep. Fourth personal foul on Del Rosario. Substitution rep. Substitution. One minute and 54 seconds.
Pagtira naman ganun ako yung nagkakantay na.
Maeng.
Raboya. Now Yo-Yo Man. Back to Raboya.
Ay, wala na.
Nice defense on Manila. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds. Alba. Steal by Yo-Yo Man. It's Bebas. Oh! Too strong. Rebound on Maeng. Looking for Marcelo. De La Cruz. Wala pa. Sinanout again. It's foul. It's time out on Calabarzon. 1 minute and 23 seconds. 66 against the 55. All by Manila.
Bebas.
One minute and 23 seconds. Both teams now in penalty. Pascal substitution tara pa. 67-55, 67 against the 55. 12-point lead, Manila. Saprap, substitution there. One minute and 15. Ladasa, 10 to shoot. Alba. De La Cruz, second time around, De La Cruz. 70 to 55. In 53 seconds, 53. 15-point lead on Manila. Mine. De La Cruz, 45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Short, top. 30 seconds. Castillo. 20 seconds. Ladasa, 15 seconds.
Ano mo kay Pan? Kay Bernice.
5,